Imagine a phone that's thinner, lighter, and more comfortable to hold, finally ditching those sharp edges, while packing meaningful upgrades in charging, efficiency, and everyday performance. That's the promise of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's response to fans craving real evolution after the safe S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra was solid but felt iterative, recycled design, minor tweaks, and no bold risks while rivals pushed boundaries. Samsung heard the feedback. Leaks point to the S26 Ultra as a thoughtful refinement, making it sleeker and more premium without revolutionary overhauls. Design-wise, Samsung is listening. Expect a thinner profile around 7.9mm, down from 8.2mm, lighter weight near 217G, and significantly more rounded corners for better ergonomics. The camera setup shifts to a prominent oval island, similar across the S26 series, for a modern, elegant look. Colors may include classic options like black, silver, white, and perhaps purple variants. No more fake rings, this feels genuinely upscale. Cameras remain a quad setup, but with targeted improvements. The 200MP main sensor sticks around, isosceles HP2, but rumors suggest a wider aperture, possibly f1.4, for 47% more light intake, translating to brighter, detailed shots and superior low-light performance. The 5x periscope gets tweaks like a better f2.9 aperture for 38% light gain. Ultra-wide holds at 50MP, solid but unchanged. The 3x telephoto? Mixed signals, some say it stays 10MP with a smaller sensor, a potential downgrade, others hint at 12MP upgrades. Overall, expect noticeable real-world gains in versatility, though not a full hardware revolution. Samsung's playing smart against competitors' leaps. Display excellence continues. A 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED with M14 panel tech for sharper colors, higher efficiency, and new privacy features. Peak brightness caps at ~2 600-3000 nits, prioritizing battery over raw lumens. Battery life should shine. Sticking with 5,000 mAh capacity, but efficiency from the new display and chipset promises longer runtime. Big win, wired charging jumps to 60W from 45W, with Qi 2 magnetic wireless at 25W, finally MagSafe-like convenience with built-in magnets. Powering it all? The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 globally, no Exynos split for the Ultra. This 3nm beast delivers massive GPU-NPU gains for smoother gaming, AI tasks, and sustained performance. Release? Samsung's unpacked likely in late January or February 2026, with availability mid-February. Pricing starts around $1,299, no hike. The S26 Ultra isn't reinventing the wheel, it's polishing it. Solid upgrades in comfort, charging, efficiency, and cameras make it a compelling choice for S24 Ultra or earlier owners. For S25 Ultra holders? It might feel incremental. But if you're due for an upgrade, this could be the premium Android flagship worth the hype. What excites you most, design, comfort, or faster charging? Sound off.